Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming with an update on my indoor hydroponic gardening gardens. So enjoy the video. Thank you for returning and I'll catch you later. Thank you. Hey guys, it is March 1st. Let me tell you, the bell peppers are peppering. Okay, look at the color. Oh my goodness. Don't they look good, y'all? They haven't fully turned, but they are looking amazing. The one back here is looking amazing. You see, it's starting to turn. Still needs some time. You can see the green back here. So yeah, still need a little bit more time, but this is looking so well. Now, it looked red to me. It doesn't look purple as of yet, so it's still going through the mist. So I'm gonna go ahead and prune some of these leaves and see if I can get some more flower buds coming on here, but everything is great. Our garden here, our herb garden is doing its thing. Shih Tzu, Thai basil, purple basil, still doing its thing. Our lemon balm is good. And we still have a little bit of mint. So that's the update on this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Good morning. Look at the bok choy, y'all. Okay? When I tell you it is doing what it does, baby, look. And so I'm about to put my other stand up because as you can see, how this is, you know, my Bounty Elite and my Arrow Garden Harvest 2.0. I wanted to have its own space. So I brought another one of the shelves that I'm going to do, but no broccoli spears yet. Today is March 9th, and don't forget daylight saving. Okay, so we went up. Spring forward, y'all, spring forward. But this is what we looking like. Okay, the bok choy have been giving and giving and giving, and I have been harvesting and eating and eating and eating it. And same thing with the broccoli leaves. So we are doing amazing. Okay, it says here, okay, day 69. I'll put it, insert it in here somewhere. The leaves. Okay, oops, well, it was time for this to go. So I'm gonna add some more plant food to this, and then I'm just focusing on the garden today. So this is my update so far, and I was supposed to order some tomatoes because I haven't grown tomatoes yet. So this is the end of my week challenge, which is winter indoor gardening. Okay, update for this. I will keep you posted on the broccoli later on. Okay, so we're going to plant some different things today. I'm thinking, so stay tuned. I'll give you an update soon on what I decide to plant, because my other garden has been sitting here patiently waiting. Okay, it's waiting. I just didn't know what I want to plant. I brought some more top covers. I hope that it works for down here. So this is not part of my week challenge. This is my regular garden, but I just wanted to give a sweep. Since I am recording, I'll put how long these been growing. Now these are the purple bell peppers, but I'm starting to think, I don't know. I don't see them changing another level, but I do have quite a few flower buds growing on here, as you can see. I see, I have some flower buds popping in on me, and I'm loving it. Okay. Let's go here. Our kale is growing amazing. Our parsley is still vibing, which I need to go ahead and harvest some. Okay. Our Swiss chard is still vibing. Okay. So that's all I have left up here in this garden. I need some lettuce, so I will be doing that soon. And as you can see, our herb garden is still going. I still have purple basil, which is back there. I still have the Italian basil. I still have the lemon balm. The mint is pretty much drying up, and the sisu is doing what it does. Okay, this has been giving and giving and giving. Amazing. Okay, so herb garden is going. So I need to plant some more herbs and things so that I can, this is why I tell you I want a new garden. Okay, I do. I want a new garden because I have so many things that I want to plant, So I'm going to take it easy, but I have to plant some more herbs. I have to keep the herbs going, and I'm going to plant some more. So thank you so much for supporting my channel. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Indoor gardening has really been a blessing to me, and it feels so good to grow your own herbs and your own veggies and fruits, and harvest them and eat from them. Prices are going up. Things are just, the food market is just going crazy with the prices of things, and you want to eat healthy, and it costs so much. I brought these little trinkets here, little decorations over here from the Dollar Tree. I thought this was cute. So I'll be over here decorating. I have to clean up my shelves and stuff. So I've been trying to reorganize things. So got things in the boxes and stuff. So I am going to get to that. And this is another trinket that I brought from the Dollar Tree. Thought this was so cute. So I have that up there. Now these are just hanging there because they're from Christmas decoration that I was doing. If you see on the channel, check out my crafting section. But anyway, they're just hanging there just for now until I put them up in a box. But anywho, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Indoor gardening is so much fun. I have an affiliates link. I am a affiliate influencer, okay, associate, and with Amazon. So the link is in my description. So if you're looking to buy one of these machines, okay, I do get a small percentage, and it's not at a cost to you, but your purchase towards the machine if you want to help me so I can do more things and purchase another machine, make some little money, okay? I have other things in my Amazon store as well, if it's dealing with crafting, cooking, beauty, anything. So I'll be putting some more stuff on my list soon. So yeah, check out the Amazon store, take a look around, okay? Jill's Comfort Zone. All right, y'all. But our bell peppers is 3 strong here. And I don't know if they're going to turn purple or not. And I don't want them to get overripe. Because I want to use these babies, okay? So, I harvest the bok choy. Okay, we got plenty. Which dwindles down to nothing after you start cooking it. All right. And so this is what we're looking like now. Now look, these are growing up in there, and I'm wondering why. So is it done? Does that mean the planting is finito? Let me know. So wig update, this is it. Yeah, so this is growing from there. So I wonder if that means the plant is done growing. I don't know. And like I said, still no growth, no spears growing up on our broccoli leaves. Or we are definitely our broccoli plants. But we're getting plenty of leaves, okay? Not sure what that means, but so stay tuned. I've been thinking that it's growing some leaves, but spears, but then it doesn't turn into spears. So, not sure what that means, but yeah, let me know. Does that mean this has come to an end with our bok choy? Because this experiment has been fantastic. See, buds are growing up there as well. Little flower buds. So let me know if it has come to the end. But this has been a wonderful, great experiment. I'm definitely growing some more, so stay tuned because this has been a wonderful ride, okay? Trust me. So thank y'all so much for watching. And until next time, later. Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? I think I came to you before and I told you that I am about to end my experiment on the bok choy. I will be planting some more. This has really been a great test for the bok, but you see, as you can see, it is sprouting its flowers and all that good stuff. So I am going to close this down. I still don't have any broccoli spears that is growing on here. But like I said, this has been a great experiment with the bok choy. So great experiment. I would definitely recommend you to try the bok choy, and it's so delicious anyway if you love bok choy. So I'm gonna harvest the rest of these and then we're gonna close out this. So that is the last update that I will be doing for the wig challenge 2024. Shout out to Mike for this awesome experiment, and we're gonna plant some more things. So right now I need to get me some lettuce started, okay? So I don't have any lettuce planted, so I need to do so. So thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and stay tuned for my next experiment, okay? I'm enjoying indoor gardening, a new hobby, but it has nothing but goodness results for me, especially when you are trying to eat more healthier, trying to budget your life and lower that grocery cost. So this is like amazing. So stay tuned to the next time. Have a blessed day.